We're going to be looking at a couple of exercises that you can do at home to improve your posture. Posture is one of those things that this day and age is very difficult to maintain, purely because of the lifestyles we have, with lots of positions that involve us doing this. And if you look at any teenager now, you'll probably see that their head's forward from where it should be. So not just for our, adult population, but even for kids, these are some fantastic exercises. So I'm going to show you two versions. One for people that are quite mobile and can get up and down off the ground, and then the second version is for those that have a bit more trouble getting up and down. So the first one we're going to do, get yourself a foam roller, and if you don't have one of them, roll up a towel into similar dimensions. We're going to place it on a surface like probably carpet, maybe a rug, and then sit on the foam roller and lie back so your head's resting on it. And first of all, just get a feel for it, because it can wobble around a little bit, and support yourself with your hands and legs. And then the first position is to just bring the arms out probably about 30 to 40 degrees from your side, and let your shoulders and elbows rest down to the ground. Now, if you're doing quite well with that, you can then bring it further out, and you might be at, say, 90 degrees, and you can even go up beyond that. Now, the aim here is to try and get your hands to the ground. As you can see, I'm quite tight with this one, so this would be a good position for me to get into. And I'd hold this for 30 seconds at a time, taking some nice deep abdominal breaths, and just trying to let those arms drop down a little bit. And then I might move them back to here for 30 seconds, just stretching out different parts of the muscles, and then back down to here for another 30 seconds. Coming up out of that position, just slowly roll to the side, roll the foam roller away, and then just take a moment to let your spine reset before you roll to the side and come up on all fours. Now, for those that have a bit of trouble getting up and down off the floor, a really simple way to get this stretch is just against the wall. So something that's quite firm that you can lean into. Place the foam roller behind you, similar to what we're doing on the ground. Move your feet slightly away from the wall so you can get some good stability, and then repeat the same thing. So you're just having to gently push your arms back into the wall at those three positions, and holding for 30 seconds in each one. One of the more advanced ways that we can use the foam roller is to get some increased mobility through the joints. So this is a more advanced exercise that does cause a bit more discomfort, so only approach this if you're confident. So with this one, I'm going to put the foam roller perpendicular to our bodies, and then what you're going to be doing is aiming to put this right between the shoulder blades, and let your head stretch back, arms stretch over the top, and then just gently rolling. You'll probably hear little clicks and pops occurring. That's just pressure being released from the joints as we stretch. And you can just roll back and forth each time, trying to let your body relax back more. And you'll probably see my neck being able to stretch back a bit further. And I do that for 30 seconds, and then slowly coming up from there. So give those a try to help your posture. A foam roller is a great device to do that, and it's going to give you a great stretch and allow you to improve your posture over time.